Hey Cricut crafters, it's Shea. I'm back and today we're doing an unboxing of some Teckwrap vinyl and goodies. I have never ever gotten an order from Teckwrap and I'm so excited to check it out. And I mean, check out all the stuff in here. Like, there's so much. So we're gonna just start at the beginning and see what is in here. Okay, so the first thing that they have in here is a mat, which is awesome. It's a 12 by 12 mat. It essentially looks exactly like the Cricut mat. It has the Teckwrap logo on it and it's super cute. So I'm excited to use that one. I also came with this little pouch that I accidentally ripped. So I started to open it up and then realized I wanted to film it. So in this pouch, it has a weeding pin pen. This is amazing. There is a hack to make this with the dollar store, like Dollar Tree mechanical pencils. But I mean, hello, check out this cute little pink one. So cute, and it looks like they have a really nice little weeding pick and a little squeegee, which is amazing for when you're doing transfer tape and things like that. So I'm really excited about those little tools. It does come with a cute pouch. If you're not like me and rip it, then you're good. Okay, now we're gonna go through the vinyl. So with Teckwrap, I am obsessed with all of their vinyl. They have a really beautiful pastel colored line of vinyl that came out. I've been trying to get my hands on it for months and months and months, but because I'm in Canada, it's a lot harder to get my hands on it. So I'm really excited because it looks like I got sent a lot of those colors. So I'm just going to show you a few of them. Well, I guess I'll take them all out, but I'll go through a few of them. So we have this really pretty green. I mean, I'm gonna kind of like zoom in so you can really see these colors, but they're all so pretty and pastel. I've been trying to get my hands on these for so long and I'm so excited about it. Ooh, dropping it everywhere. Okay, so we have these 5. I can't hold them all at once, so I'm gonna kind of do it as I go. Ooh, lavender. Well, I don't know if I'm colorblind. Maybe I'm just messed up, but it might be the color changing one because it says lavender on it. Hey y'all, Future Shea here. I wanted to quickly talk about something. So in the wrapper, it looks, well, super pretty, but then when you actually open it up, this isn't the exact same color, but it's a lot more defined. So you get like that more solid look. And I didn't know that obviously when I was showing it. So you kind of have to open it up and then take off the protective layer and then you're able to see the full color. And you'll see this effect when I actually do the video, which is going to be the next one of me making the project, showing you me using it. I actually did make a project here with it so far, which I really love, and that is on my TikTok if you're interested. But yeah, so I just want to let you know that it's kind of hard to see the colors when they're wrapped up, but they're absolutely beautiful. So on with the rest of the video. So I'm excited to try it out and see what is up. We also have red. Yeah, this must be color changing because, or maybe the opposite side is the color, because I mean, this is just not showing much, but super cute. I'm so excited to try these out. I mean, these colors are gorgeous. And this one here looks like it is their transfer tape. Yeah. So it's kind of cool. I'm so excited. So I have so many goodies to try out. I think what I want to do is make a wall decal. Now you could use a removable vinyl. In the past, I've done a wall decal on my home with permanent vinyl, and I've also tried removable vinyl. Weirdly enough, the permanent one peeled up, not peeling up my paint. The removable one, which was the Cricut brand one, actually pulled up the paint, which is really annoying. Now, either way, I would just go ahead and repaint anyways, but I wanted to kind of give you that little bit of information because just because you use the removable one does not mean that it's not going to pull up the paint. So if you're renting and a little nervous about that, something to kind of think about. But I think it would be fun to make some cute little decals. If you didn't know, I recently moved. This is my new craft space and I have my bed. You're sitting on my bed right now, okay? I'm not gonna show you because it's not made. It's really messy. I went out today and I'm not gonna make my bed. I'm just gonna lay it in again tonight. I know, ridiculous, but don't waste my time. Imagine at the end of my life how many hours I probably spent making my bed. Just kidding. Honestly, when you make your bed, it makes a whole world of a difference. But today I didn't do it. Alrighty, on to something else other than the bed. Can you tell I've had about 3 or 4 cups of coffee today? Probably, but that's okay. I'm just excited about the Teckwrap vinyl. So these pretty pastels are perfect. I also wanted to make like some really pretty decals on my wall as well for my videos. I don't quite know where I'm going to sit yet to do my sit down kind of chit chatty videos like this. I do like this where I can stand and talk because I really like this setup here where I can hang my tools. I have the few little things that we made during our lives and all those fun things, but I also have walls like here and behind you that I wanted to decorate for my bedroom side of it, as well as my living room. So I thought that would be really fun. I have mentioned that I am on a budget when it comes to decor and things like that. So would be fun to just make something with it, but let me know and I will absolutely let you know how it goes with this. So the next video is going to be me using this vinyl. I'm so excited. I've heard amazing things about Teckwrap, so I highly recommend you check it out because this is one of the top brands of vinyl that is talked about, along with Oracle 651, and then also the Caesar vinyl is really good as well. So Caesar vinyl, Caesar Easy Weed, is super popular for HTV. When you're looking at things like the color changing one and all these fun, beautiful colors, check out Techwrap. Highly recommend. And of course, don't think I'm leaving you hanging. There is a discount code right here on the screen, as well as in the description box below. If you click on the link in there, I would really appreciate it. So feel free to share that with all your crafting friends, because who doesn't love a discount code, especially when we're on a budget. And us crafters are always on a budget, so that we can buy more craft supplies. Alrighty, it's gonna be time to make the next video of me DIYing this. If you have tried Teckwrap's vinyl or any of their products, please let us know in the comments down below, because I hear this talked about all the time. Actually, a lot of you have suggested it as well to me. Like I said, I just haven't been able to get my hands on it yet. So I'm really excited to try it out. It's gonna be a good one. Alrighty, take care, bye.